quarter four and why it's important for your KDP low content book business to start getting ready now for it. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creative Bee, and welcome to our channel where we show you how to make money online with KDP low content books and Excel with new training every week. So be sure to hit the big red subscribe button down below. So in this video, I'm actually going to cover quarter four. I tell you what it's about and what you should actually be looking for in this wonderful time of the year. What is quarter four or Q4? Well, it's basically the last 3 months of the calendar year, October, November and December, and it is a great gift giving time. It also has major seasonal holidays. So one of the major holidays is Halloween, that is worth $9 billion. There's also Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Christmas and Hanukkah, and Black Friday has sort of spread across the globe. It's also the beginning of the fall or autumn season in the Northern Hemisphere, and a lot of people prefer staying in their homes and actually staying cozy at night. So just looking at my own family, whilst we're watching TV at night, there's one of us sat there going through word searches, there's another one doing dot to dots or hidden pictures or different puzzles, and I personally like drawing and colouring in. So that's just a small example of this great niche. And you could also earn up to 80% of your KDP income in the next 3 months. That is why it's important to start actually getting yourself ready now. So what should you do? Well, the main point is you should be creating quality books. Why? Because they will always sell. Halloween books that are quality don't just sell in Halloween, that is their peak period, but they sell all year round, especially with people that's interested in horror or goth or creepy or pastel goth or any of those sorts of scenes, steampunk and things like that. Also, make sure that you have no spelling or grammar mistakes, and your images, wherever you're purchasing them from, make sure that there's a high resolution and there's no pixelization. Also, make sure that you are using the correct information for the niche and that you're leaving enough space for people to write in. So your font should be no smaller than 11 points. Also, take notes or reviews of what can be improved, especially when you're doing your research, and great images and funny sayings on notebooks, and be niche specific. So that is what makes a quality book. Next most important thing, don't use trademark titles, images, etc. Do your research. I've done videos about this before, so go out and check it. They'll be in the top right hand corner. Also, don't just take somebody else's image or book and copy that, because that is going against copyright laws. Very strict on those, and if people catch you, you will get reported and your account will get shut down. And quite frankly, it deserves to be shut down if that's what you're doing and you're too lazy to be unique. Now, there's another video in the top right hand corner that shows you the 10 different things you can do to avoid this. Now, the next thing you need to do is create a plan of action. Create your workflows. What are you going to do? Most people have got full-time jobs. Most people have also got family life and different things. So how can you fit in this business at the same time? You need to plan it out. Can you get up early in the morning and say on a Monday morning you do research, on a Tuesday morning you create interiors, on a Wednesday morning you create your covers, and then on a Thursday you're uploading those books? Work the plan as well, stick to it as well, but make it so it will work for you. Don't say, right, I'm going to do 8 hours every day when you can only give 1 hour of your time. So prioritize what books you're going to create and what types of quality books you're going to create. So you also need to think about advertising as well. A lot of people aren't getting the organic sales as they used to get because there is a lot more competition. It doesn't mean to say that the market's oversaturated. It never will be. It just means we have to do a lot more marketing. So there are 3 ways that you can do that. You can be doing it in Pinterest, you can be doing it in Facebook groups, you can be creating YouTube channels and all sorts of different things. But money actually gets you there a lot quicker, and there's plenty of Amazon ads and Facebook ads you can also be doing. So set aside a budget for spending on ads and really watch them closely, because they do go quickly. So check that out. So what types of books to focus on? Books that can be given as gifts are always successful. Now, puzzle books, great. They do take a long time to actually create. You can outsource different aspects of that, like going to Fiverr and getting somebody to collect all your words. There are also tools that you can be using, like my friend Gary Lynn Baker over at Publisher Report. He's got his own site where he actually does different words and collects different words. I'll leave a link down in the description for that. Then there is trivia and joke books and activity books, colouring books, again notebooks, but make sure they're quality ones, hobby log books as well, planners and diaries. Now planners and diaries and notebooks and hobby log books are all very quick to make. The others will take you a bit longer, and often you need to use different compilers. I've done loads of videos before reviewing different compilers, all the ones that I actually use to create my books, so there's all that training there available for you. But these books keep selling all the year round, not just in this period, so it is worth your time to actually invest creating these books. Now finally, this is a real business, so take it seriously, check everything and think what you would like if you were the customer. There are so many tools to help, which there wasn't when I started back in 2018. A lot of the compilers out there was not for commercial use. A lot of fonts weren't for commercial use, but things have changed and move along. So now we have things like BookBolt, EC Pub Profits, and older tools like Helium 10 and Publisher Rocket, which now actually cater for us for low content books. Before it used to be for ebooks, or it used to be for Seller Central and people that did FBA and things like that. We've also got all these great published puzzle compilers like PuzzleWiz, Instant Puzzle Generator, Instant Maze Generator, Simple Cutoff. I've done loads of videos all about these, and there are free ones out there as well that do commercial, and I've also done a video about that. But the most important thing is don't copy, be unique, and check everything, because that is the important thing. So even if you only create a couple of books in this Q4 period, make sure that they are quality and that they'll keep selling. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. And while you're here, why not check out my book on how to create a colouring book in PowerPoint, or if you want to go the Canva way, why not check out how to create a undated planner in Canva.